Hey everybody, I'm Zev and I come back with another trick. In this video, I want to show you how we can import data from website in Excel. So let's do it. From this website, Wikipedia, we have some tables here, like this, and like this. So for import this table into Excel, we should copy that URL and paste from this part of Excel. Go to data and click on from web. Okay, paste that URL here and press OK. Okay, we have some tables here. For example, table 1. We want to import this table into our Excel. Choose that and click on load. It's super easy. Our table is ready. If you have any question, please comment below this video, and if this video is useful for you, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.